How to change your profile picture on the Discord without the Nitro. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your profile picture in the Discord without getting the Nitro. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to update your Discord application. For that you have to go in your App Store or the Play Store that you are using, and here you have to search for the Discord. Now you just have to click on it and update your Discord, and after updating your Discord you just have to go back and open up your Discord application. Now once you are in here, in the bottom right corner there is the option of your profile. You have to click on it. Now here you have to go in your profile. Now here you have two options, one is the avatar and the second one is the get animated avatar. You have only two options to add your profile picture. Now here you have to give the access to the Discord of your gallery, and you just have to select your profile picture and you have to choose it according to you, and you are able to change your profile picture. And if you want to add any of the animated avatar you have to click on it, but from here you can get the Nitro. Without getting the Nitro you are not able to change it. So that's how you can change your profile picture on the Discord without getting the Nitro. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.